Hello learners, Namaste. This is Professor Eslal from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. And you know that in today, as per our decided course of framework, means task, or you can say session. Today we are going to discuss about another way of representation of an equation of a parabola. Means I'm interested here to explain the parametric representation, and I hope you all understand that what is parametric representation of parabola. So for that I am going to firstly explain that what is parameter, what is variable of parameters, and what do you mean by parametric equation. You see here x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta, and the basic function we are taking here, phi is equal to capital F, and here we are writing x comma y. So you take here this equation 1, and you see that here you can ask me that what I am trying to explain. Firstly, I am trying to explain you that what is parametric function and what are parametric equations. You know, this is I am taking it as equation 2, and this as equation 3. You see here phi is the function of x and y, means the value of phi is depending on x and y, and here you see x is depending on the value of theta and y is depending on the value of theta. If I correlate this with a practical example, then I can say you here phi is a mother and she is depending on her two sons, and their name is x and y. And in coming days, x is guided by his wife theta and y is guided by his wife theta. Mother forgotten. Still, in any case or in any circumstances, these two children, these two sons, you know, come in the contact of mother, she becomes happy. Means she seems to be satisfied. So you can see that what you want to say. Actually, I want to say that here phi is a function that is depending on two variables x and y, and x is also depending on theta and y is also depending on theta. If by putting the value of equation 2 and equation 3, equation 1 is satisfied, then equation 1 is called parametric function. This phi is parametric function, and equation 2 and 3, these two equations are parametric equations. I hope these are the way of representing parametric concept, parametric function and parametric equations. Now I am writing here equation of parabola y square is equal to y square is equal to y square is equal to 4ax This is equation 1. Now, this is an equation of parabola in a standard form that is symmetric to the x-axis in the positive part of x-axis. Now we are interested to give the parametric representation of this y square is equal to 4ax. For that, we have to put here x is equal to at square. Put x is equal to a small a t, a small t, a small at square, and y is equal to (280). Now, you put this value of x here. What you will be finding? You will be finding y square is equal to 4a square t square. 4a square t square. And if you are putting y is equal to this 2a2at in the left hand side, you are finding what? You are finding 4a square t square. So here is 4a square t square, and here is also 4a square and t square. Means if you are taking a coordinate point on the parabola 1 like this, then it will be what? Please tell me. This will be at square, at square, comma 2a t. This is at square plus 2at. So at square plus 2at means this is the parametric representation of the coordinates of the parabola. And at square 2at, this point lies on, this point lies on what? Lies on. And next we shall discuss in the next class.